difficult to understand or recall. For examination, question may be like that. Define rank of a matrix and hence find rank by using any particular method. Now I will continue with, let A be a non-zero matrix. Let A be a non-zero matrix. What is the meaning of this first statement? That means that matrix A have at least one non-zero elements. Is it clear? A be a non-zero matrix. That means matrix A has at least one non-zero element. Then the integer R. Then the integer R. I will use small r. Integer R is called rank of matrix A. Rank of the matrix A. Matrix A if, see the condition. First one, number one, first condition, there exists at least one minor. There exists at least, कमीत कमी एक, at least जास्त असेल तर चालतील, at least one minor of order R, of A. कोणाचा असणार आहे हा minor? It is a minor of order R of a given matrix A which is non-zero. And first condition says that, so there is at least one minor of order R which is not zero. And second condition says that every minor of order greater than R, of order greater than R must be zero, or we can say is zero. So I request everyone once again, please go through the statement and note that rank of A is denoted as the row notation. Row of A is equal to R if rank of A is R. This is a notation to denote the rank. This is a notation to denote the rank. Okay. Baga, while finding rank of the matrix by definition, you have to show the existence part. And to prove the existence for us, it is not so easy. We will see one by one. Now suppose, next one, remarks or note you can consider. First one, this is a first note. Second note, for the definition, we have started with the non-zero matrix. If suppose the matrix is zero, then what should be the rank? सगळे element zeros आहेत. The rank of zero, or that also we call as a null matrix. So can anyone guess what will be the answer? कारण तिथं minor exist होणार नाही ना. There is no minor of order which is non-zero. So every minor of order 1, order 2, order 3 is equal to 0. What should be the answer? Yes, Ayushi, what you can say? Ayushi, the rank of zero matrix. Guess what will be the answer?
0.
Yes, obviously. Because what happens? There is no minor, na? Sagle element 0. That means every minor of order 1, order 2, order 3, 0. So that's why the rank of zero matrix is 0. Now the next third one. So let A be a non-singular matrix of order R. Let, I will write here, let A is a non-singular. That means a square matrix, non-singular. The same thing you can write mathematically that determinant of A is not equal to 0 and A is of order n by n, then rank of A is equal to, कोण सांगेल? I will wait for 1 minute. If not, I will explain concept again. Take a
minor.
Yes, tell. Manjit, हाँ.
It can be one. No.
All the minors, because it as it is non-singular,
Yeah,
its minors exist,
yeah.
and that's why it is n.
Okay. So a little bit I will explain once again. So I will take in particular example. Suppose A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay. The elements are A11. You can generalize this A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, first thing, A is a square matrix. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. And assume that, so let determinant of A is not equal to 0, because we have to start with the non-singular. We are talking about the non-singular matrix. So for that, so the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now tell me the minors of order which exist for this matrix A. कोणते ऑर्डर एक्झिस्ट होतील? Question is clear? Question is clear? So for this matrix, we can find minor of order 4. In other words, I will ask. So for this matrix 3 by 3, suppose I want to minor of order 4. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, because what is the first step? You have to select any 4 rows. Whether 4 rows are available?
No.
No, that means minor of order 4 is not possible. Next, minus of order 5?
No.
No, that means we can generalize here. The given matrix is of order 3 by 3. So that's why minor of order greater than 4 not exist. Correct, na? Minor
Yes,
of
sir.
order greater than 4 not exist, because a selection of 4 rows or greater than 4 rows is not possible. Now, minor of order 3, can you find?
Yes, sir.
You can select 3 rows and 3 columns. So here, minor of order 3, minor of order 3 is, कोण असणार आहे? Who is that? For selecting or for finding minor of order 3, what you have to do? You have to select 3 rows and 3 columns. But you don't have any choice, because a matrix is of order 3 by 3. By selecting 3 rows and 3 columns, what you will get? By selecting 3 rows, 3 columns, you will get A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. What is this? Yeah, this is nothing but the determinant of A. Is determinant of A, and which is given that is not equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now further, for this matrix, we can find minor of order 1. Where I have to write? Okay, here. Minor of order 1, is it possible? The answer may be multiple. You have to select 1 row, one column. So you can find minor of order 2. You can find minor of order 3. Okay. These 3 minors you can find. Now, what are the possible values of rank? So rank of the given matrix is either 1 or 2 or 3. Is it right? Because we are talking about R. There exists a minor of order R which is not equal to 0, like that. In terms of minors we are talking, and for this matrix, minor of order 1, minor of order 2, minor of order 3 exist. Now when you are applying definition, start with the higher order. So what is the first required condition? What is the first required condition? So there exists, where I written the definition, little bit I will took up. Okay. So there exists at least, kamit kami ek, there exists at least one minor of order A which is not equal to 0. You have to find at least one minor whose value is not equal to 0. So right now, when you are considering this condition, you start with the higher order. Now in this case, the higher order is 3, correct? The higher order is 3, minor of order 3, and definitely that condition is given in the statement that determinant of A is not equal to 0. That means minor of order 3 not equal to 0. That means, or here, is it possible that rank of the matrix A is 1 or 2? Yes, is it possible? कारण ह्याचे खालचे बघायचेच नाही ना. Highest order you have to find. There exists one minor of order R which is not equal to 0. If there is at least one minor of order 3 which is not equal to 0, then 2 is not possible, 1 is not possible. You have to go to the higher order. Now the second condition says that, so every minor of order greater than R, पण इथं नाहीच आहे ना, this one. So there is no minor of order greater than R, that not exist. So whichever is not available, for that you can say anything, and we can assume that the minor of order greater than R which is not present is 0. So that's why if A is a non-singular and determinant A is a non-singular with the order of n by n, then rank of A is n. Remember, for multiple choice questions, remember this. If A is a non-singular matrix, whatever the order of the matrix, rank is that order only. Any doubt, any question up to this? We will see two examples. By definition, suppose you are finding the rank. Simultaneously, you can take down a, yeah. Any doubt? Question I will write. Oh, sorry. Rank of the matrix. For examination, there will be no example to find rank by using definition. So just to clear the definition, I am taking few examples to find a rank by using definition. And we are having restriction. If a matrix is of lower order, then only we can apply. If matrix is of higher order, then it is very difficult to find rank by using definition. So in that case, we are going to study the canonical methods or the reduction methods. So the question is, find rank of the matrix. We have studied only definition. That's why you have to apply the definition. Find the rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix given below or following. Okay, whatever that given below. So the first example. So let, or sorry, I will directly give the matrix. A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. First row, 2, 4, 1. Simultaneously you take down because now calculation part started. 3, 6, 2 and 4, 8, 3. So I started with the square matrix. I will use, I will make a 2 columns. Okay. Now, what is your first step here? Or what are the possible values of rank? What are the possible values of rank here? So unmute and tell me. For mathematics only I am talking and you are listening. That is not fine. Possible values काय असतील? I will write in color, different color.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. The possible values of rank are, so this is rough calculations, not necessary, right? It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. You may use word or. Okay. एक तर असेल, 2 असेल, 3 असेल. So what is your first step then? Start with the higher order always. Okay. Start with the higher order. So to verify whether the rank is equal to 3 or not, what is your first step? What you will do? What you will do? Fast. Find determinant of A.
We will find the determinant.
Okay. Continue the calculation. Calculation part you have to complete. 2 into 18 minus 16 minus 4 into that means what happened? Yeah, continue. Minus 4 into 9 minus 8, correct na? I hope that all of you know how to
Answer
solve.
is 0.
Answer is 0. Just I will write. Okay, that's correct. And the last one is 24 minus 24. I hope that everyone know how to find or how to evaluate the determinant. Answer is 0. Then by the definition, there exists at least one minor of order R, order 3, which is not equal to 0. Means, is it possible that rank of A is 3?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
rank
sir.
of A equal to 3 is not possible. That's why I cross. So the next one, you have to find at least one minor of order 2 which is not equal to 0. So next, to find minor of order 2, to find minor of order 2. So calculations may be different for different student, because while finding minor of order 2, the selection is with you. Selection is with you. So you may select any rows. Suppose I will use highlighter, last 2 rows. Okay. Last 2 rows, and for the selection of column, suppose I will use suppose second and third column. Then what is the determinant value? Anyone? Intersection of these. Intersection of these. Minor of order 2. Directly I am writing the final step. Intersection of these.
6283.
6283. Okay. 6283. Now these calculations may be different. Suppose someone is selecting first and second column, your answers or your calculations may be different. What is the evaluation? 3 6 are 18 minus 16, which is 2, which is not equal to 0. So it may possible that some minor may be 0. But what is the condition? Second condition, there exists at least one kamit kami ek minor of order 2 which is not equal to 0. And second time, minor of order greater than 2, that means there is only one minor of order greater than 2, that is the determinant is equal to 0. So what is the rank then?
2.
Yes, rank of A is 2. Okay, 1 is also not possible. So rank of A is 2. Okay, doubt ahe koi? Again, I am telling it may possible that because I have, by observing the matrix, I have selected for second, third row, second, third column. If you are taking randomly any 2 rows, any 2 columns, it may possible that the answer is equal to 0. In that case, you have to check all the minors of order 2. If all the minors of order 2 is 0, then again you have to switch to the minor of order 1. That's why I'm telling it's very difficult to find rank of the matrix by using definition when matrix is given of higher order. But to clear the definition, I'm taking few examples. One more. Second example. You can try from your end. Second example. Suppose the matrix A is given by, 1 0 minus 1, first row. 1 0 minus 1, 3 4 5, 0 minus 6 and minus 7. So purposely I am taking 3 by 3 only. So again, the possible values of rank is either 1 or 2 or 3. What is your first step? Same step. Determinant of A, calculate. 1 into 1 into Second term not necessary to write. Minus 1 into minus 18.
20.
Yes, 20, which is not equal to 0. That means again, rank of A is equal to 3 is not possible. Now select any two rows and any two columns. Suppose I am taking first two rows and first two columns, first possibility. 1, 0, 3, 4. You can select any two rows and any two columns. What is the evaluation? Four minus 0, that is a 4 not equal to 0. Therefore, what is the rank of A? What is the rank of A?
2.
Yes, 2.
2.
Okay, one more example statement I will write. One, two, three, first row. So you can complete in 2 to 3 minutes. First one, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5. So again, the possible values are 1, 2, 3. So complete in 1 or 2 minutes.
Second example, the rank is 3.
Yes. So it is a non-singular, na?
Ah,
Sorry, it is a non-singular. That's why here only you have to conclude rank of A is 3 because that you are getting not equal to 0. Okay. So non-singular, therefore rank of A is equal to 3. Sorry for your inconvenience. So correct it. Now in this case, if determinant of A is equal to 0, then only we have to go for minor of order 2. You can check any. Suppose 1, 2, 2, 3. 4 minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A equal to, yes,
2.
2.
2.
Okay. Next lecture we will continue.